How's it going today, YouTube, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Do you drive a vehicle with an Allison transmission, one of these push button selectors, or even a manual selector? Did you know that there's a way to check your transmission fluid right through this console? In this video, I'm going to show you how. Here we go. Now this will be the same, like I said, whether you have this console, the manual shift, or even the push button shift with the double display. Just make it a little bit easier to read. So before you check the transmission fluid, there's a few conditions that need to be met. First, the engine is at idle. The transmission fluid temperature has to be between 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 220 degrees Fahrenheit. The transmission has to be in neutral, and it's got to be stationary for approximately 2 minutes to make sure your transmission fluid will settle. And it's got to be idle. Has to be below 1,000 RPM, not at a fast idle. So what you want to do to enter in to check the oil level, you want to press the up and down button simultaneously once. And if you happen to have one of the manual selectors, there's a button, it'll have a little Allison logo, your diagnostic button. You just press that once. So like I said earlier, press the up and down simultaneously, or your diagnostic button, and that'll put you into the mode to check the level. Now, if it hasn't finished settling, you'll see a counter go down. It'll start, let's say, 8, 8, 8, 8, and then 7, 7, 7, 7, you know, all the way down. Just let it do its thing. Now, if you go to check your fluid level, and it comes up OL70, that means it's not up to temperature yet. So take it for a good test drive, 20 minutes, half an hour, get everything good and warm. And then park it on a level surface, make sure the conditions are met, and try again. So you press up and down, or the diagnostic button. Oil, level, low, 2 quarts. Oil, level, low, 2 quarts. It'll be the same thing if it's high, except it'll say OL, HI, however many quarts. So now next, you'll add your fluid, or take fluid out, whatever it recommends at that level, and you'll know that your transmission fluid is right where it should be. And when you get your fluid just right, it'll say OL OK. Pretty straightforward. Now you can get some transcend, put in that amount of whatever your low, and you don't have to worry about having to check the dipstick with a whole bunch of fluid in this tube. That just is annoying. You can't get a decent reading for a little while after. And to get out of that function, just hit the neutral button. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, entertaining, and informative. And I hope definitely helped save a little bit of time or effort making sure your transmission fluid is just right. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button, notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when I get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.